right, anyway, Blasters are doing kunim. Yakoba Barrier Sports to them, Yaba. Interesting discussions. And I know I'm a share, but some drop video be anopa. And Timiamba, I'm doing it quick. Eddie, am I in now? Kotoko Midiama. Sunday, 3 p.m. Let's not forget that. 3 p.m. Yakoba Sports Stadium match no. Basso. Penny Quashe. That chini puso. Then we be doing come out from Ransian. Ye dear Asante Kotoko players are no makesi bi abobi egumasum with the April. Now, did you know say indirectly a player was blacklisted or suspended behind the scenes? Now branch back on near Chinasum behind the scenes. March Kotoko weekend home game, not Oka squad no, which the coach had decided on Friday. Only for them to get a video of the player Friday night and they say, Origin anywhere, baby. $7 pa. Kotoko $7. So young boy I am in Sinabaso or measures or more takey to make sure say discipline ebeba Asante Kotoko players no mo dwumadi o mudi yembo aya mi sinabaso discipline pa no mo de ato na player first mra video ebeba don't forget say Asante Kotoko Asante within circles na national circles ene Kotoko faithfuls ni bebre they say penifo man I clear say oh evidence of Asante Kotoko player origin any kwan boni bi so abonten omo nka se ma mrantie in Germany but abe hu ne be 12 o'clock na ogina club bi no wins ano mama mo go aye se mo ntwa video ne mfa mbrem penifo so mrana edi kan no I'm saying it as my source and the two men send my source in kan na America. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel is so over team one fat exact punishment na answer. Okay, but the okachre me ne sem rana edi kan no Asante Kotoko player club no benya evidence se upie eko club eko party eko wensa eko engage in any activity that is contrary to the rules and regulations at Edibu club no, there is a punishment meant for you. The exact punishment a fine and suspension. But fine no one amount na nkyere me ntimi mbo mitrim enka amount bia so ogumshia players no they are too many and to some extent some of the videos ni bi om the chere players no e ma muso mo ndom so and here the first mreda ho nti ye chew na wo club wo party na during the middle of the season emu amia no na wa pia na jo munka so wanji wani empe ba bi nom with me at now then one be ni ade but see be hu na jo gina basement now boom there be ehwa so twen eda ho me de ma o so beti de atosu mienu Asante Kotoko player bia otifi ho the last time chairman so look at say 48 rooms 30 players in the room into rooms na krabiaka emre atosu mienu you cannot send someone into your apartment without nipan air sign the checkpoint I will feel. I mean two samra we munchini ye natiasi. Initially Asante Kotoko company for the place no kotana building omu free roam. There was a security there, but the security was just to protect the players, not to check their ins and out. But I will tell you come on there. Enti emre na etwa no before say mra we beba no. Na ho bi ba obi do na security ni wo ho. Na ye bisa no. Why and our question. Ubodi no the free player no confirm say oh ba you get the chance to go. We any part 10 or we any part 20. But now and I'm saying penny for the free will and more players na misusing nintino. And your place now some of them are misusing am abeka obi a nintino. One, say ho one ba there should be a confirmation from the team manager. That is what I'm picking. The other story will make a company for be in from the team manager. They say no omo be yen to say e be straight normal observer. There is a SS. Say you freedom man no want to tune ya obenya this kind of treatment no. I say SS. How will be bar? What you say? You need can check it. Your time for because they are matured players and won't mean say time when I will be mentioned, time when will be mentioned in it is open up. But you need to inform your team manager. So assume ba menchen or the way he will analyze it and see if it's necessary for the person to come and see you. Say that say nipa na be na wuram ana be hia nipa na wabonte wona mara no business na nipa na ko. You mention all that because a bam penifo notice send you maybe cost one sem fata sa nyoma de minka. So now while be busa amra no so the punishment da ho paro ka kyerem se mra to so nyelu ye say e say nipa no trending wia who player no confirm say ampa obehwehwe wa who wie so say team manager esa ma authority ansa na nipa na wura building. Team manager more authority are based on reason how the man say nipa na be hwe unti no ye the time be ton say by this time e say nipa na pie no ko. Say nipa na nkwa the police, because now a move from security, a private security firm, right from big places, Mamenkanesa, and the police. There were some of the supporters almost suggested some military. Because and your man no sakika and ebia homote. So they suggested some military move, at least one military man in better now. But for now, a private security and the police I didn't but to duty. To a truck. Team manager say, "O say obra unsu ni we near 20 minutes. By 20 minutes time, nipa na free wa e ho punishment that why e be ma." Emre tosu mienu. Dia tosu miensa. Your ins and out, you need confirmation from the team manager. In fitiasie de mrantie no kotena otie ni also be da o show mo so as security ye na now pay time I'll pay, no about time I'll pay because your jam will man. So you remember the press conference coach Ogum can say the players they don't will amount because they experienced players. I remember it was solo of for your pan bisa as a question. No say bisa and Ogum be 2 weeks time. No so they will handle them to bring the best out of them. The handling methods ni be am dey brown. First, no more farm some your matured peer time I'll pay bra time I'll pay name and now some man for abusing in say oh pia what you say say who could train na timbers never father over training the timbers ni you do ko si ho no be awura inside inti so person pia esa say wo frema team manager titum say obere champion defender me kokwa mu akoto nsu me ba tech abeto aduane. And even with Edianeno, apart from say building the player be out the kitchen, there's a cafeteria. Ye di Edianamo. But you team come on the pa. And Tiseo Koto Edianeno, you cannot apply that excuses so much. So the third rule is that you have to call the team manager for the team manager to tell the security person on duty say yes and correct. As soon as ya tum say umpienko. Or koye we enti mama no 2 hours so mfa koye we bra enti sa wo kon na oba na mre to so 9 obeba na bre no wa abro so a e bre no abro so a e ho asotwe e da ho e de ma wo ye player wo yes ahia and they've given it to the players and the players have accepted it because mumu bi asem from am they say who pia beje permission. After training, bas na be pia beji permission. For what illegally? And as same we making. So what is say Asante Kotoko terminate player be contract out of nothing. Yes, I'm right to sunumi and ebia player na break. Say illegally, if you find your way of leaving the building, na sem peninfonsa so mua. And what so chain so cha so chain na. But you tell you, pa. And she said, fear no mranti and no. Ye jamo pedie. but makwa force am mpanimfo de mraba be to pena ye jama mo and enye nyawudi a che wo club asem the day before a game ni ache unless say dia coach ajatum say ene de mama mo free day obi anfa nye de opɛ and he different. So you be at the house under rules and regulations. Won't mean for bam be sheho kwasa. Abraham penifo Emma approval. So chere di nti o yira e bia me yere ne me ba me nchen. You need approval. Send your na news ne ba na we tam we not na be na say dem. Obi ntimi fa substance bia so mmerɛw. Nti nkomo ne de. Ntimi pie nkoto bibia mfa mba hosa. Nti penifo ani abre. Mrana kam yenu ese me de ba. But I'm just trying to. Mama mfa ba akon so. Kam njai. Why be chew? Se odi news a eye force e man century ni no. E ho aso twe da ho e de ma. Mary ba akon me mfa so so bi. This is Sober TV and I'm telling you say penifo ani abre in attempt to discipline the players and make sure the players are being focused and they are doing the right thing. Catch us a press conference now Asante Kotoko company for a year no omanyan out of nothing. There were things behind the scenes and no more years a press conference. Wa club ni ebehu so the club news ba bonten negative. No we treat and throw e the company force say power I want to train the whole edema. And really minimum so train but I'm just trying to keep it. Tell your player. Na we piano Joako club. Now penny for so me a more punishment behind the scenes and not Ubon Century and things say catchers and a coach in Pemas and wow him the YNT born also 20 months kwa me found. But now person say coaching. So when all these measures are being put in place and the players are following the rules and regulations and the results is not going well, the leaders will look at the alternatives in order to get the job done. And no correct staff on movie soon. Some whom players no mu yesi or mu yesi. Penifo tie and no to one amo and then mara about better to a beboa. Nama mrantie no obi enkopie ebrebi enko fa asam fufurubia emfamba. So bet you mama family. Bye bye.